In today's video, I'm talking about how we made $450 in 30 minutes. I'm also going to be giving away some good information that's going to help you keep the calendar full, even though you might be slowing down due to the winter season. No matter what number is attached to the estimate, a win is a win. And the objective is to stack as many wins as possible, keep customers happy so we can get our bills paid. But before that, if you're interested in parking lot striping and want to start a business that's highly profitable, be sure to check out the How to Stripe course. That way you can start striping, get customers, and quit your job. It will be the first link in the pinned comment section and the description. But if you want to text me, I can get you a good discount on the entire package. That way we can get you started. All right, let's get to the video.
What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about how to make 450 bucks. Okay, so we got this job. This was an existing customer of ours. One of my first customers that I serviced when I first got in business a couple years ago. We have serviced their parking lot every single year. Now, this parking lot is not a big parking lot. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 lines, 1 access aisle, and 1 handicap symbol. Not a big job at all. However, this job is $450. It's coming to the close of the end of the season. All right, we are in quarter number 4. Since we're in Q4, that means we are coming up to the end of the season. That means I'm trying to get as many jobs on the schedule as possible because I am preparing for the winter. And on this job, we have got Vincent, who came for some in-person training. He's doing a great job. He forgot to release the trigger and oversprayed just a little bit. He's cleaning it up with some dirt, some acetone, and then we're gonna go on to the next job. But some people towards the end of the season are having problems with getting jobs and really trying to stack up wins towards the end of the season. And it doesn't matter if your job is for 4,000 or 450 bucks. A win is a win, all right? Now, how I got this job in the beginning was I handed them a business card. They got back with me. I sent them over a price, 450 bucks. They said it was all good to go. Well, every year since, what I've done is sent them a reminder and said, hey, it's been a year since I've serviced your property. Why don't we keep the property looking good and get you on the schedule, okay? So if they've already done business with you in the past, if you did a good job, they're more likely to do business with you in the future. So what I did was I sent them a text message, said, why don't we get you on the schedule? Not gonna be a price increase, same price as last year. Let's go ahead and get it done. Sent them over the estimate. They clicked accept. We got them on the schedule. This is the first job of the day. It took us 30 minutes to get this job done, 450 bucks. When we leave here, we're gonna go to another job and finish it off. It's gonna be $3,100. Then the last job of the day is gonna be up on the north side. That's gonna be $1,500. So 3,100 plus 15, 4,600 plus 450. Today, we're gonna make, today in an 8-hour workday, we're gonna make $5,050. Not too bad for an 8-hour workday. Anyway, so what I'm saying is, if you're coming towards the end of the season, tap into your existing customer base if you don't have a lot of jobs on the schedule. Because what that's gonna allow you to do is get those quick wins before the end of the season. Start hitting up customers that you serviced towards the end of last year or the beginning of this year. Ask them if they wanna get on the schedule for a washing, for a stripe, any cracks that might arise on their property, whatever the case may be. Little wins are still wins, because when you stack enough little wins, it turns into a big paycheck. Anyways, y'all, thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video.